For the SSA person, SSA transmission person, 13 tickets are showing in all tickets. That means 13 tickets are pending across SSA, but only one ticket is assigned to him. That will show in the my tickets. So if you look at there, the ticket is mapped by the SSA person. Circle administrator. He mapped it to the SSA team. Now the person can work on the ticket in progress and OFC cable fault and cable cut. He will give the remarks. Cable cut and update. Now fields are updated. Then he can restore the faults. I'll open the ticket. How to restore the faults? Change the Prabal Plus ticket to restored and provide the RFO. Okay, local lead fault, and I will update. Please ensure that the ticket is closed in the parent ticketing system. That means you have to close the ticket in the parent system also. For Remedy as well as SBI, system automatically will check and close the ticket. In case of Clarity, you have to close the tickets manually, then only the ticket status will be changed from restored to resolved, and then it will move to the closed state. Okay. Now if you see, the system is changed to status to restored only. Okay, you can see the resolved tickets in his area. So see, RFO pending, one status is there. Restored status. Restored means the person is manually restored in Prabal Plus. Once the ticket is closed in source ticketing system, then it will be moved to next status, that is resolved. Then after 2 days it will be moved to the closed status. Then what is this RFO pending case? Suppose the ticket is generated on day 1 in source ticketing system, that is in Remedy. Ticket is immediately transferred to the Prabal Plus. Before the team act on the ticket immediately closed in source ticket. Then the status in Prabal Plus will be changed to RFO pending. That is, before taking action in Prabal Plus, the fault is restored and updated in the source ticketing system. Such cases, field units are required to give only the RFO pending. If you see here, the team is mentioned, or ARP Exchange Team 1. That person should log in and give the status. Now I will log in as the user. Even though the ticket is closed, we have to provide RFO for better clarity and to avoid the fault in future. So I will see the resolved tickets here. So RFO pending is there. I will open this ticket and I will provide the RFO. So what is the RFO? It is a local lead fault. I will provide the RFO and I will update. Once I update, the ticket will become as a, let us see, links, search link, see, now the status is up. We will see that. So we have to close all the RFOs. So many tickets are pending for the same link. Okay, so now you understood what is all tickets. So all ticket means whatever the falls pending in his area, not to his team. My tickets means the tickets assigned to his team, that is will come under my tickets. Misassigned tickets means if any ticket is wrongly mapped to one team, he can escalate to administrator, circle administrator as well as SSA administrator. So exchange to SSA can be done by the SSA administrator. SSA to SSA or circle to circle can be done by the circle LC administrator. So I will log out. I will log in as a SSA administrator. So if you look at here, all tickets, 12 tickets are assigned to this. 12 tickets are pending with this SSA team. So SSA is having 12 tickets. If you look at there, so 12 tickets will come. There is no my tickets. That means no ticket is assigned to this user. There is no action is pending for him. Okay. Now I will log in as a circle administrator again. If you look at him, 30 tickets are pending for the circle, out of which 8 are pending with him. Why these tickets are pending with him? Any guess? Yes. These tickets are pending with the circle administrator due to SSA admin is not yet configured. So if the user is not yet configured any SSA admin, the tickets will come to him. See, these are all MNP and Nagaland. SSA, there are 3 SSA in Northeast too. One is Arunachal Pradesh, another one is Nagaland, another one is Manipur. Okay, in that these two MNP and Nagaland SSA user is not yet created. That's why the ticket is showing pending with the circle. If he create the SSA admin, then he can transfer the fault to the SSA admin. Then the SSA admin should create the exchange user, then he can transfer the fault. Until that time, these tickets will not be moved automatically. Once you create, future faults will be moved to the concerned teams automatically. Okay, so I think you are now have some good idea about handling tickets in Prabal Plus. Okay, thank you.